I need that back, please. Give me that back.
He'll try and steal stuff from us, like sponges or cleaning brushes. He stole the padlock to his aviary.
Give that lock back.
And he will want us to buy them back off him. And if we're not giving him enough attention, then he turns into a bit of a brat and say, look, give me attention now.
Why are you being a brat? Well done, well done.
But when we got him, he was hyper violent towards people. Loki was bought by someone that didn't really know what they were doing. He is a captive-bred raven. He wouldn't be able to fend for himself. So the family returned Loki to his breeder when he contacted us. He came to us very aggressive, very scared of everything. I established the reason for this is that he had been badly mistreated. So I had to change my tactics slightly. I would sit in his aviary for maybe an hour a day and not do anything. And just have some food on me. Hey, Dodos, do you want some mango? Yeah? So he started to allow me being in his aviary. And the times when he was really nasty to me, I would leave the aviary, not giving him any attention. And once he worked that out, he would put his head down and actually apologise. That was an amazing moment. I remember putting my hand out to stroke him and I'm thinking, I'm going to get bitten, I'm going to get bitten. And when he allowed me to do it, it was a huge excitement. Good boy. I thought to myself, this bird is forgiving humans now. Now he's become much more tolerant to other people. He can be quite cheeky. He does the gwa sound to get my attention. And then we started saying it back to him. And he finds it hilarious and keeps doing it. He is a free-flying bird. He goes off and he flies around and he comes back to us when he's good and ready.
Hello? You come home?
And it's night and day in terms of the comparison. You can help animals. They can bounce back. I was immensely proud of Loki